Welcome guys. In today's video I wanted to show you what account level negative keywords are. Now this is a very underused feature because a lot of people don't even know about it. We take on so many accounts within our digital marketing agency and people are just not using it, and it's because they don't know about it. So it was released around about February 2023, and what account level negative keywords do is that if you've got some keywords which are going to apply to your whole business, some negative keywords that are going to apply to your whole business, then rather than putting them at campaign level or even shared library level, you can put them at account level, which means that any campaign that you create, those negative keywords will be applied to those campaigns automatically. So for example, if you sell men's trainers and you never sell women's trainers, then why not put women's or ladies or girls into an account level negative keyword list, as opposed to putting them at campaign level? Because you could have several campaigns, you could have several ad groups and so on, but you know that, hey, you're not going to cater for that market, so there's no point putting it at campaign level, so you might as well add it at account level. Let me just show you exactly how you do this. Now again, I'm using the new interface because this is going to take over soon. So what we do is that if you go inside the admin, click on admin, and you'll be presented with your standard options, and then you'll see this here called negative keywords, and by default it'll say none. So you can click on here and then you scroll down, and just like you add negative keywords to campaigns or ad groups, you can click on the plus symbol here and then you can add your keywords in here. And again, the same rules apply, so you can use different match types. So you can type in women's, girls, ladies, etc. right? And then you simply just click on the save button here, and that will then apply these keywords to your account level. So it could be that you've got a brand and certain keywords don't resonate with your brand, so you don't want those type of searches to appear on the Google Ads display network or the search network or the search page, because that keyword is just not relevant to you. So then rather than adding it at campaign level, you can add it at account level. Guys, if you found that video useful, hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications button. When I do create new content, you'll be the first to be notified. And remember, if you want to learn more about keywords in Google Ads, then check out this video here, and it'll go into a bit more detail about how to use keywords, and especially negative keywords too. Take care and look forward to seeing you on another video. Goodbye for now.